Hello, my name is Ryan Hutman, and today I'm going to show you how to use Echo 360 Universal Capture. You'll be able to use this on your home desktop or your work computer and be able to make Echo 360s on your computer and upload them to the Echo 360 server for the students to get. So first, let me start sharing my screen. And the first place we're going to go is echo360.org. So if you're not already enrolled in echo360.org as a administrator, or as a instructor, you'll need to get access to be an instructor from an administrator. So you could submit a ticket, or there might be someone in your department that's already an administrator that can add you as a instructor. So we are going to log in, and it's going to walk you through the normal login process of ATSU's login. And if you are an administrator, you'll need to change your account over to an instructor like this. So as an instructor, this is what you'll see when you log in. And what you'll want to do is you'll go up here to the gear and click on downloads. And from here, you'll see right here, Universal Capture. You'll do, if you have a Mac, you use Mac, and Windows, you use Windows. I'm on Windows, so we're going to do that. This process is almost identical for both. So I'm going to save this file. And after it saves, I'm going to run it. So some web browsers might look a little bit different, might look a little bit different on a Mac, but what you'll do is download that file and then run it after it's done downloading. So it's done downloading. I'm going to run it, and it's going to install. So I just hit next, I accept the terms. I choose where I want it installed. This default's fine, and hit install. All right, we just fast forward time. Now we are done with the install. We're going to hit finish here, and you should have a new icon on your desktop. If not, you could probably find it here in the start menu by just typing in Echo, and it'll show up. Similar to a Macintosh user, you'd be able to go to the search icon at the top of the screen and type in Echo, and it should pop up. So we run it, and it's going to ask us to log into Echo 360. So when you click on this button, it actually opens up a new web browser window, and just like before, it's the same login. Okay, and then it's ask you here, do you want to? Once you sign in there, it's going to then ask if you want to be able to go back to the program. You hit yes. It verifies the credentials. And because I'm already using my microphone and camera, I don't know if it's actually going to work. Oh, look, it's going to work. I'm surprised. So we're going to put in, one of these is going to be my webcam, and the other one's going to be my display. And the webcam actually probably is not going to work because I'm already using it. But you would choose your webcam for the site. If you want, you don't have to. You could just hit none, no input. If you had two screens, you could use that too. But and then you choose your microphone. I actually have two microphones on my computer. I have this one here, and I have one on my webcam. So I would choose the main one, this one, because I like this one. And then, yeah, whichever display you want. If you edit your capture details, you could title it. So I'm going to title this, we'll call it Ryan's Test. And then we'll describe it, a test of the Echo 360 Universal Capture. And then if you want to put a tag, so sometimes this is nice if you have to search for something. So you just type in like some keywords that might show up. So this would be a test. I could probably put in Universal Capture. I'll put ITS too. That's me. And you could also choose where you want to publish it to. So if you're already enrolled in a course, you can choose which course you want it published to. Or you could publish it to your library. So in Echo 360, each user has their own library of videos. That might be a good place to put the video for now if you're not sure where it goes. Because a lot of these, since I'm an administrator of all these, I have a whole bunch. For you, you might just have a couple, and you'd be able to choose which one you wanted to publish to. For me, I'm just going to publish mine to my library. Once it's there, I could choose later to publish it somewhere else. Or if you have an admin in your department that knows where it should go, maybe they could grab it out of your library too. Either way, I'm sure it'll be fine. So hit save. And we're ready to go. I'm going to hit record. And it gives me a little countdown. And it actually, it disappears for a moment. It actually goes down here, down to the bottom. And then I would do my presentation, which I don't have available right now. I don't have one. Here we go. Here's one I just happen to have. So you would just go through this, and you would probably make it full screen as much as you can. And you would do your presentation like you would normally. And then once you're done, you would go back here down to the bottom where Echo 360 is, and you hit stop. And now it's going to upload this right to my library, what I just did. Once it's uploaded, if you want to edit it, you can edit it. And I could link a video on how to edit there. All right, our capture is complete. Click to view. I don't know if I want to view it. Let's see. But yeah, it's that fast. You hear me talking again. All right. Well, that's how it works. Thanks for listening. Good luck. If you guys need help, please submit a ticket to Help Desk, and one of the Help Desk guys will get to you and help you with it. Thanks again.